Good morning, student. Today I will explain chapter 2 fraction and decimal. Now, decimals. The numbers expressed in decimal form are called decimals. 2.4, 2.04, 12.054 are decimals. Decimals is two parts. First, whole number part and second, decimal part. In 25.04, 25 is whole part and 04 decimal part. We read it 25.04. Now, types of decimal. Like decimals and unlike decimals. Like decimals, decimals having the same number of decimal places. Example 2.40, 4.86, 15.04 are like decimals having two decimal places. Okay. Now, unlike decimals, decimal having the different number of decimal places. Example 4.26, 5.027, 30.37.6 are unlike decimals having 2, 3 and 1 decimal places respectively. How to compare decimals? Student, you have to learn two methods to compare the decimals. First, convert the given decimal into like decimals if it is unlike. Second, if whole parts are equal, compare the tens digit. If it is equal, compare the hundred digit and so on. We take an example. Which is greater? 0.5 or 0.05? 0.5 and 0.05. First we have to convert it like decimal. So 0.5, there is no digit, so you have to put 0.05. Now it is like decimal. Now we compare 0 whole number equal after decimal first digit 10th place 5 and here 10th place 0. 5 is greater than 0, so 0.5 is greater than 0.05. Okay. Now second example 12.56 or 12.506. First compare the whole number. 12 whole number is equal. Now 10 digit 5, it is also equal. Now 100 place 6 and here 100 place 0. 6 is greater than 0. So 12.56 is greater than 12.506. You can convert into like fraction. You can put 0. Okay. So 12.56 is greater than 12.50. Addition and subtraction of decimal. First 4.204 plus 3.12. We have to add these. Student, you can see after decimal 3 digit and here after decimal 2 digit. So first we have to convert it into like decimal. We have to put 0 after 2 to make it like. 4.204 plus 3.120. 4, 2, 2 plus 1, 3 and 4 plus 3, 7. So sum of 4.204 and 3.12 is 7.324. Now subtract 2.084 from 14.78. After decimal 2 digit, after decimal 3 digit. So first we have to convert it in like decimal. We put 0 after 8. Now 14.780 minus 2.084. 10 minus 4 6. 17 minus 8 9 and 6 minus 0 6. 4 minus 2 2 and 1. So if we subtract 2.084 from 14.78, we get 12.69. Multiplication of decimal number by whole number and multiplication of decimal by decimal number. We take some example to understand it. Example first, 4.27 into 5. First we multiply it ignoring the decimal. We get 2135. Now we have to put the decimal. You can see after decimal 2 digit. So we have to put the decimal after 2 digit from the right. 1, 2. So it becomes 21.35. Okay. Second example. 0.625 into 3. First we multiply 624 by 3, ignoring the decimal. We get 1872. Now after decimal 3 digit. So we have to put the decimal after 3 digit from right. 1, 2, 3. Decimal will put here 1.872. It becomes 1.872. Third, 2.4 into 15. First we multiply 24 by 15, ignoring the decimal. We get 360. Now after decimal 1 digit, so we have to put the decimal after 1 digit from right. 36.0. Okay. Now question 4. 6.4 into 2.4. Both are decimal number. So first we multiply 64 by 24, ignoring the decimal. We get 1536. Student, you know how to multiply the digit, how to multiply the number. So we get 1536 after decimal 1 digit, after decimal 1 digit, total 2 digit. So we have to put the decimal after 2 digit from the right. 1, 2. We have to put the decimal here. So it becomes 15.36. Okay. Now last example, example 5. 0.468 into 0.02. First we multiply 468 by 2. We get 936. Now we have to put the decimal. After decimal 3 digit. Here after decimal 2 digit. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit. So we have to put the decimal after 5 digit from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If there is no digit, you have to put 0. So 0.00936. Multiplication of a decimal by 10, 100, 1000. If we multiply a decimal number 4.507 by 10, decimal will shift to the right by 1 place. 45.07. Decimal will shift to the right by 1 place. Second, 4.507 into 100. Here, if we multiply a number decimal number by 100, decimal will shift to the right by 2 places. 450.7. Third, if we multiply a number 4.507 by 1000, decimal will shift to the right by 3 places. 4507.0. Okay. Dividing a decimal by 10, 100, 1000. We take an example. If we divide 4.507 by 10, 4.507 upon 10, decimal will shift to the left by 1 place if we divide 4.507 by 10. So it becomes 0.4507. Second, 4.507 divided by 100. Decimal will shift to the left by 2 places. 0.04507. We get 0.04507. Now third, if we divide 4.507 by 1000, we get 0.00457 because decimal will shift to left by 3 places. Now division of a decimal number by a whole number. We take an example. If we divide 16.56 by 4, first we have to convert it into fraction. 16.56 is equal to 1656 upon 100 because after decimal 2 digit, so we have to divide it by 100. Divided by 4 upon 1. We can write 4 as 4 upon 1. 1656 upon 100 into 1 upon 4 because 1 upon 4 is the reciprocal of 4. You know how to divide fraction. If we divide a fraction by another fraction, actually we multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of another fraction. Now 1656 upon 4. We can cancel it. We get 4 1 4, 4 4 16, 4 1 and 4 4 16, 414. We can write 414 upon 100. Now we will convert it again into decimal form. So we get 4.14. You know how to convert fraction into decimal. I have already discussed about it. Now division of a decimal number by another decimal number. We take an example. We divide 2.73 by 1.3. Same as we can convert it into fraction. 273 upon 100. After decimal, 2 digits, so we have to divide it by 100. Divided by 13 upon 100. We can write 1.3 as 30 decimal, 1 digit, so we divide it by 10. Now 273 upon 100 into 10 upon 13. 10 upon 13 is a reciprocal of 13 upon 10. Okay? 273 upon 13 into 10 upon 100. We can cancel it. 13 1 13, 13 2 26 and 13 1 13, 21 upon 10. Okay? And now we will again convert into decimal form. We get 2. Now I am giving some question for practice. Add first 3.21 plus 2.34. Second 2.04 plus 0.052. Subtract first 4.12 minus 3.01 and second 14.06 minus 2.082. Third, convert 0.75 into simplest form. 4. Covers a distance 89.1 km in 2.2 hours. What is the average distance covered by it in 1 hour? 5th, a vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 km in 2.4 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? Multiple choice question. First, 0.35 into 0.2 is equal to A 7.0, B 0.7, C 70.0, D 0.007. Second, the value of 25.75 upon 100 is equal to A 2.575, B 257.5, C 0.2575, D 2575. Third, 0.88 divided by 2.2 is equal to A 4, B 0.4, C 0.04, D 0.004. Fourth, the fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator is called A like fraction, B unlike fraction, C improper fraction, D proper fraction. Fifth, what should be subtracted from 0.1 to get 0.06? A 0.4, B 0.04, C 0.004, D 4. Student, practice all these questions. In my next lecture, I will revise data handling. Okay? Have a nice day.